Summer is here, and it's the perfect time to enjoy the best produce the season has to offer. In today's video, we're diving into the top summer superfoods you should be stocking up on right now. First up, let's talk about cherries. These sweet, vibrant fruits are packed with antioxidants, which may help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. They're also high in potassium and vitamin C, which could support your immune system. Cherries might even help with brain health due to their anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their rich red color. Enjoy them as a snack or toss them into a smoothie for a refreshing twist. Next, we've got sweet corn, a classic summer favorite. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a great source of fiber, about 2 grams per medium ear, acting as a prebiotic to support healthy digestion. This makes it a perfect addition to your meals this summer, helping to keep your gut health in check while you enjoy the season's flavors. If you're loving these superfood tips so far, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more healthy tips and delicious food ideas. Tomatoes are in peak season during summer, and for good reason. They're loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Plus, tomatoes could benefit your skin and bones. Whether you're adding them to a salad or enjoying them as a snack, tomatoes are a must-have this season. Let's not forget mint. This fragrant herb is not only refreshing but also loaded with antioxidants like vitamin A. Mint may help with digestion, especially during those summer cookouts. It's gentle on the stomach, and adding it to fruit salads or brewing it into tea could help support your digestive system. It's also an easy and delicious way to hydrate. Mushrooms are a nutrient powerhouse, often overlooked. They're one of the few natural sources of vitamin D and are packed with 12 essential vitamins and minerals. Plus, mushrooms contain ergothioneine, an antioxidant that might support brain health. Grilled portobello mushrooms make a great low-calorie burger alternative, perfect for summer barbecues. Blueberries are not only delicious, but also a true superfood. They're rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that may support heart health and even aid in muscle recovery after a busy summer day. Add them to your smoothies, yogurt, or simply enjoy them on their own for a burst of flavor and health benefits. Mangoes, often called the king of fruits, are not only sweet and delicious but are packed with vitamins and minerals. They're a great source of vitamin C, which could boost your immune system and promote healthy skin. Mangoes also contain enzymes that may help with digestion, making them the perfect tropical treat for your summer meals. Watermelon is the ultimate hydration hero for hot summer days. With its high water content, it's perfect for keeping you hydrated while providing antioxidants like lycopene, which might support heart health. So grab a slice and keep cool all summer long. Pineapple is not just a tropical delight, it's also packed with bromelain, an enzyme that may aid digestion and promote gut health. With high levels of vitamin C and manganese, pineapple is also a great way to support your immune system. Add it to your smoothies or enjoy it fresh. Kiwi might be small, but it's packed with more vitamin C than an orange. This fruit could help boost your immune system and support digestion. Plus, the antioxidants in kiwi may reduce the risk of chronic diseases, making it a perfect summer snack. These are just some of the many superfoods that can elevate your summer meals and support your health. Start adding them to your diet today for a boost of nutrition and energy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more health tips and superfood updates.